Hey, Donald Miller here, Donald Miller's Electrical Services. So I want to show you why knob and tube is not safe. And this is any random house. You're going to find it in every one. I have yet to see a knob and tube house that has safe connections. So we had a switch here that was operating the sconce here. And this wire was in here. So we pulled it out of the wall. And this is knob and tube, and then this is an old nut, and then they use lamp cord wire. Want to hold the phone while I do this? All right, and so I'm going to take this apart. All right, and let's see what type of connection we have here. All right, now already the electrical tape is crispy. Okay, so we've definitely had some arcing or some type of heating up to create this tape to get that bad. Because it's pretty crispy. All right, so here we go. So there's signs of some type of arcing going on in here. So let's open this up. So we have lamp cord wire on. Now listen to this wire, ready? You hear it break? When it's breaking like that, that means all the moisture is out of the wire. All right? So here's your knob and tube conductor. And there's number one. Let's see if we can find the other one. Oh wait, look. So, you see this wire move? So there's your other knob and tube. Now let's see if I can pull this through so we can actually see it. So, and there's people out there saying that knob and tube is safe. Not only do I beg to differ, but this proves my point. Every day I'm finding this. This isn't anything special. Every day I'm finding this. Okay? It's because no one wants to work on knob and tube. And everyone avoids working on it correctly. So our entire neighborhood is littered with bullshit like this. Okay? Knob and tube is tough to work on. It's dirty, it's nasty, it's grimy, and it's not low-hanging fruit. That's why people avoid it or do knucklehead mistakes like this. My name is Donald Miller. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a good one.